can see what's happening. We can see that it's Year 5's assembly, and we know it's something to do with space. So let's get on with it.
Good afternoon and welcome to our assembly. We have been learning all about space.
We can see the whole solar system from here. I think we can hear it from here too.
We are the planets of the solar system, different sizes for everyone. Living together and together, such good friends, and we all orbit the sun. We know the sun, right? Because on this earth, from the beginning of the second of the solar system, planets be spinning around me. So high, the most you can see. Now pass the line with the planet closest to me.
Mercury, the smallest planet, small as Earth's moon. I get super hot, cold, and it's been never so. Yes, I got mountains and volcanoes and spray. I'm the same size as Earth, but from the opposite way.
Yeah, Earth, I'm the home to every boy and girl.
Such a beautiful, beautiful world.
I'm Mars, a red planet. I got deserts and ice, and I got blue moons. Like one moon twice.
I'm Jupiter, the biggest planet. I'm humongous, gargantuan. Spread the best, plus some handsome black souls.
Some Saturn, check out my beautiful rings. Made up of billions of rocks, dust, and other things.
I'm Uranus. I say that with pride. Okay, I lied. I'm Eris because I'm the only planet lying on its side.
I'm Neptune, cold, dark, windy, and mysterious. Very stormy, so bring an umbrella. I'm serious.
Of the solar system, different sizes for everyone. Living together and together, such good friends, and we all orbit the sun.
Wow, where I'm exploring the solar system. I am thirsty. Well, let's explore the rest of the Milky Way galaxy.
There are 8 planets in the solar system. The name of planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. There is about 1 million solar systems in the universe. The solar system was formed 4.6 billion years ago, probably with the Big Bang. Did you know the Earth is always moving? It takes 24 hours for the Earth to spin one time. One day. While the Earth is turning, the Moon is orbiting it. That takes 28 days. While the Moon orbits Earth, they both revolve around the Sun. This takes 365 days. The Sun is the center of the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. It's that revolving the Sun. A constellation is a group of stars that form a shape. They are also fun to look at. People use constellation to recognize different stars. The sky was split to 88 different constellations in 1922. Stars are born when huge clouds of gas and dust called nebula come together. Over thousands of years, they get bigger and collapse into each other. When this happens, the temperature inside the clouds gets higher and nuclear fusion takes place. The moon changes shapes because we see different parts of the moon as it orbits Earth. The moon doesn't really change shapes. It is the shadow from the sunlight. There are 8 phases of the moon. New moon, waxing crescent, waxing gibbous, First quarter, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, waning crescent.
Good afternoon and welcome to Charlotte International News. I'm Mel.
And I'm Rachel. Today we have breaking news.
Yes, that's right. Today the race to space ended when Apollo 11 landed on the moon.
After launching 4 days ago from the Kennedy Space Center, the Eagle has finally landed on the moon this recently year.
Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin left the Eagle and walked onto the surface of the moon after the module was depressurized. Armstrong descended the ladder, followed by Aldrin. As he descended, he lowered a special camera so that man's first step on the moon could be seen by the rest of the world. As Armstrong took his first step on the moon, he said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind."
Reports from NASA say that while the astronauts were on the moon, they saw Earth rising in the sky instead of the moon rising from Earth. Over 500 million of you tuned in to watch the momentous event.
Did you hear about the race between the lettuce and tomato? The lettuce was ahead and the tomato was trying to catch up.
That's all from today at Charlie News. Join us today again tomorrow for exciting news. Good night.
The space race started in 1955 when Russia and USA started to have a race to the moon.
The Apollo 11 crew was Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. The race to space ended in 1972 when the USA landed on the moon first.
Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon, followed by Buzz Aldrin. It takes the Apollo 11 crew 3 days to get to the moon.
There are many ways to explore space.
We can explore space by using space shuttles and using the Hubble Space Telescope to take pictures and explore other planets.
If space stations collect our spacecrafts land in them, scientists and astronomers go to observatories to study stars and study surface of planets.
We even made our own replicas of space shuttles. Do you boys and girls know what this is?